First stop is the main board. We're going to want to get these clips removed first. A lot of them are going to be very similar style. You just want to get your finger underneath the cords, pinch down on the top to release it, and they should just come right out of there. Same thing with this guy. We're going to use our thumbnail, pull it right out. This is going to be a little bit different than some of the styles that we've seen. It's got the flap that we need to pop up with our fingernail. And then there are two buttons on the side that release latches that will allow this to come free from the main board. This is going to be two buttons on each side that you squeeze in. And you should just be able to walk this right out. So after we get the screws released, that should be the main board free from the unit. We do want to make sure there's not any adhesive or anything underneath, keeping it down, and it does feel like there is. We want to be very gentle when we're lifting up on the board so we don't cause any bending or breaking, and it should pop right up. This is the adhesive that I was talking about.